Tiramisu kan lo siam leang Mary biscuit hi kan mang leanga packet ni kan mang don ani hei hi tui chini Nescafe le Sunday mix coffee khania azat chu description box a kazyak ve kalo en ula biscuit le cream hi kanin rem choka cream a hian delight heavy whipped cream le mascarpone cheese ang hi kamanga chuan biscuit kha kachar zel ani pahni zel khan cream a kachar ma khan coffee tuya pakhate tein kazu cha dia dia tare lo te chumi nuak ka thwa a tikhan ka zukrem zel ani cream katata amonga khwan chuan biscuit cream chutang zel chuan kan du tok thlengin asandan khachu kan remanga cream hi tihan kan da zelanga chuan kan zut mam vekanga kan zut mam zo a hianin biscuit kan rem lenga cream kan rem lenga chutang zel chuan chumi nuwa tihan cocoa powder kha achunga kan shilu ton ani kan shiklu zo vek nuwa hianin sarangin emo achin na in kan chinanga fridge a zan khoin kan dang chuan hei atuka kan eyang ka birthday cake recipe coconut cake hi nidanga video kim changzokin karondanga sandwich nen hian abak pizza le tiramisu hi chu siamsa entur oma link description box a karonda telbokang
eternity to go. You made it one more time around the sun. Now's the time that you have to have more fun. Kick up your heels, enjoy the ride, and let your God above just drive. Now's the time when we all have to say, have a happy birthday. Celebrate and dance with all your might. Have a happy birthday. Laugh and sing and celebrate your life. You are full of love and grace. It pleases us to see your smiling face, to see you rise and be a star. We know that you'll go really far. This life is short and you have just begun.